Safety Toolbox Talk number 288. SOP for Accident Investigation. Purpose. The purpose of this SOP is to outline the steps for investigating accidents, incidents, or near-miss events in order to determine the root cause, assess risks, and implement corrective and preventive actions to prevent recurrence. 2. Scope. This SOP applies to all employees, contractors, and visitors involved in any workplace-related accidents or incidents across all departments and locations. 3. Responsibilities. Accident Investigation Team, a team of trained personnel responsible for conducting the investigation, which may include safety officers, supervisors, managers, and external experts if necessary. Supervisors/managers, responsible for reporting accidents immediately, assisting with the investigation process, and implementing corrective actions. Employees, responsible for reporting accidents, participating in investigations when required, and following safety protocols. Safety officer, ensures adherence to safety standards, leads investigations, and recommends safety improvements. 4. Definitions. Accident, any unplanned event that results in injury, damage, or loss. Incident, an event that has the potential to cause harm but does not necessarily result in injury or damage. Near miss, an event that could have led to an accident but did not cause any harm, property damage, or loss. Accident investigation process. 5.1 Immediate response. Ensure safety, secure the area to prevent further accidents, and protect individuals from additional harm. Provide medical assistance, ensure that any injured personnel receive medical attention promptly. Notify authorities, report the incident to the relevant authorities, such as occupational health and safety bodies, emergency services, or regulatory agencies, depending on the severity. 5.2 Initial notification and reporting. Report the accident. Employees must immediately report accidents, injuries, or near misses to their supervisor and the safety officer. Document the incident. The supervisor or safety officer should document the details of the accident using a standardized incident report form, capturing the time, location, and a brief description of the incident. Accident scene investigation. Secure the scene. Ensure that the accident site is preserved as much as possible to prevent the loss of critical evidence. Gather evidence. Collect physical evidence, witness statements, photographs, videos, equipment records, and environmental conditions that may have contributed to the incident. Interview witnesses. Interview all involved personnel and witnesses to obtain an accurate account of events. Ask for specific details like actions taken, equipment used, and the sequence of events. Analyze the evidence. Review the evidence to understand the conditions and actions leading up to the accident. Use tools like root cause analysis, RCA, or the 5 Whys to identify underlying causes. 5.4 Root cause analysis. Identify contributing factors. Look beyond the immediate cause to identify contributing factors, such as equipment failure, unsafe behaviors, lack of training, or inadequate procedures. Use analytical tools. Employ investigation methodologies such as fishbone diagram, Ishikawa, to categorize and identify the root cause. Failure mode and effects analysis, FMEA, to assess the risk and severity of identified issues. 5 whys, to ask why repeatedly until the root cause is identified. .5 Reporting and documentation. Accident investigation report. Prepare a detailed report outlining description of the accident/incident, immediate causes and contributing factors, root cause analysis, recommendations for corrective and preventive actions, preventive measures to eliminate or mitigate the risk of recurrence. Review by management. The report should be reviewed by senior management, and actions should be allocated to the responsible departments for implementation. .6 Corrective and preventive actions. Develop action plan. Based on the investigation findings, create a corrective action plan that addresses design or procedural changes, employee retraining or refresher courses, safety equipment upgrades or modifications, safety audits and inspections. Implement actions. Ensure that corrective and preventive measures are implemented in a timely manner. Monitor effectiveness. After implementing corrective actions, monitor their effectiveness through follow-up inspections, audits, and employee feedback. .7 Employee involvement. Safety meetings. Share the investigation findings with employees during safety meetings to raise awareness about the causes of the incident and the actions taken to prevent recurrence. Ongoing training. Provide continuous safety training based on lessons learned from the investigation. Feedback mechanism. Encourage employees to provide feedback on safety measures and report any concerns. 6. Record keeping. Accident records. Maintain detailed records of all accident investigations, including reports, corrective actions, and follow-up reports. Regulatory compliance. Ensure that accident reports are retained in accordance with local laws and regulations. Confidentiality. Ensure that sensitive information, including personal details of injured individuals, is handled in a confidential manner. 7. Follow-up and review. Continuous improvement. Regularly review the outcomes of accident investigations to identify trends or areas for improvement. Management review. Management should periodically review accident investigation data to assess overall safety performance and refine safety practices. Lessons learned. Incorporate lessons learned from each investigation into future safety protocols, policies, and procedures. 8. Training. Investigation training. Ensure that all members of the accident investigation team are trained in accident investigation methods, root cause analysis, and safety regulations. Employee safety training. Provide general safety awareness training to employees, focusing on hazard recognition, reporting mechanisms, and accident prevention. 9. Review and continuous improvement. Periodically review the accident investigation process to identify opportunities for improvement. Evaluate trends in accident data and refine procedures, training, and safety measures as needed. Engage employees in safety discussions and encourage proactive hazard reporting. References. Occupational Health and Safety Regulations, Local Jurisdiction. ISO 45001, Occupational Health and Safety Management Systems. National Safety Council, NSC, Guidelines. Incident Investigation Tools, e.g. 5 Whys, Fishbone Diagram. End of SOP. This SOP should be reviewed periodically, at least annually, and updated as necessary to ensure it aligns with current regulations, industry standards, and best practices. Thank you.